welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop. Back out in the shop with a bunch of us here today because we got a gangbuster project going on. A print and apply project. It's got an industrial PC with some code that we wrote. It's got a PLC in it with some code that we wrote. It's got some sensor arrays sensing that the right part is inserted. It's got everything going. We've been waiting for a long time for a fun project like this to come through the shop so we could get a video of it. So high level, customer has these brackets. I'm going to go out of screen here. These brackets, and there's different sizes that they want to insert and have a label, the correct label with that particular product's information on it, printed and applied on the brackets as these big panels are coming down their production line. So our system is watching a database of the customers, right? Mm-hmm. And they know what doors are coming down. Yes. This is Mike Wright with the EMP Tech Group, Dave Mattingly, as always, watching some brackets coming down, and then you're populating this screen with what's next, what's next, what's next. And then the operator is stepping down this what's next list by inserting the brackets and then getting the labels applied to them.
Yes.
Okay, great. What's your application written in?
It's written in C sharp.
Okay, so C sharp application. Jake over here, the strong silent type in this video, did all the PLC work, and we're going to show you how all this works. I do want to look inside the panel as I put this bracket back, and I grab this screwdriver because, you know, as always, we've got this piece of art inside of the panel that Jake builds. So, Jake, power supply, right? And then Ethernet switch, and oh, you've got an Allen Bradley PLC in here. Nice. So we, at the customer's request, we usually use these little click PLCs. We did an Allen Bradley PLC. We don't always put a muffin fan and a filter in there, but since we do have this big industrial PC in there, in this case we did, and the stack light, and the sensor arrays that we're going to show here in a minute, which is really impressive stuff. So one other note. In the actual application, there's two print and applies. There's another one that's a right-handed one that would sit over here. That print and apply is already owned by the customer, already in use in production. We're adding this left-handed one. You can tell because as you look at it, you tamp on the left side. And then their existing right-handed one will go over here. And then these are the brackets that we slide. I'll call it a bracket, but we're sliding a bracket onto the bracket. And then Jake, you've got some sensor arrays in here that are actually making sure that the right bracket goes in. And Mike, I'm going to let you be the chief here.
So if we put the wrong part in.
Yeah. Oh, great thing to show. You get an error message up here, right?
Yes.
That not only says you put the wrong, it says you put the wrong one in, it tells you which wrong one you put in and which one you're supposed to put in.
Correct.
Right, so it catches that. So you're going to take that out.
Error gets cleared when you remove this.
You're going to put the right one in. Oh, you're going to put another wrong one, or is that the right one?
No, this is the right one.
Okay, great. Goes green, automatically prints and applies the label. Beautiful.
You remove the part and then ready for the next one.
Okay, and what I like is in your list here, it's telling, their system is telling you which one's coming down. Yep. So then Jake, in your PLC, you know which sensors should be blocked and which ones should be open. And then you're putting that message up here as to whether it's good or it's bad. This one's got it all. PLC, industrial PC, you know, coding in the PLC and the PC, custom hardware being built, these shields and all the sensors that are in them, the panel, the mounting for the panel, just everything. Repeat customer, we did this PLC for them, this print and apply for them a long time ago. And we were in there and they're like, you know, our customers are demanding that we do better to foolproof that we're putting the right label on the right bracket. And this is the solution we came up with.
Yes.
So great job, guys, as always. EMPtechgroup.com, always the best place to reach us.